peculiar. What are you doing here?
Good afternoon. Can I get a kiss at least?
Oyiko!
Jesus!
Wait,
Jesus!
I don't understand.
Why did you slap me now? What's your problem?
You're still shouting at me? Hey! After you used me, after you slept with me, don't tell me to shut up! What do you mean?
In front of the school. What is it now? Did I invite you to my house? You came uninvited. You offered your code and you are still a child.
I came uninvited, but you opened your jingle lab. You opened it, and you're telling me nonsense. Don't try me, oh! Don't try me. We're in this thing. As a matter of fact, we're in a relationship already, and you don't have a choice.
Can you listen to yourself? You still have 6 more years or 7 more years to get where I am, and you're telling me we are in a relationship already.
Is it by that? Is it by that?
My friend, wake up.
Wait, and where do you think you are going to? So let me tell you something. You go nowhere. We die here. Like we are in this together already. If you don't know, better know it.
Did I ask you for this? Did I ask?
What you took? You didn't ask, but I gave you, you collected. Abi? See, you better respect yourself, unless I will involve the principal.
And
you know
this
what
after school, what's your problem?
You this shameless girl. So you slept with him after you knew he was acting so real. And so, is she interested? She's not interested. I saw what I like and I went for it. So how does that affect you?
Which kind of problem?
Which
can comply? We are in the front of the school. It's close hour. Let's go somewhere and settle this thing now.
Exactly. You heard her. Oyiko, let's go. Oyiko! Let's go.
So none of you can call me Corp again by my name.
Iko! You know she's the quiet type. Oyiko, let's go. Oyiko, Uga. Let's go.
See, I see right now. Either you peculiar, either you Tory. I'm no longer doing. Let me focus on what they sent me to this state to do.
Focus on what? After you don't chop.
And you are saying all this.
See, me,
you go nowhere. You die here. We are in this.
What's that now? What is it?
You go nowhere. See, you don't chop, you don't enter. You know they go anywhere.
What is it now?
You see, you're in your next life or your next generation. If they send you to your PPA, you will learn to zip up and avoid see finish. Useless copper.
In my foot.